Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Alibaba price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the weekly chart here, we're looking at our bullish and bearish scenario. Of course, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 impulse toward the upside, finishing wave 1 or wave A. And after this, of course, we got a very sharp wave B toward the downside as an A, B and a C. Why it is a wave B? Because of course we have reached almost the bottom of the wave 1. We have reached the 886, of course, fib level, and that means, of course, we are much higher possibility in A, B, C rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Another possibility is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but not an impulse, of course. It is, of course, a leading diagonal, because the wave 2, 886 is, of course, can be a leading diagonal wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but not an impulse as a wave 3, 4, 5 for higher prices. Of course, this is the highest possibility. So in both case scenarios, if we are here in an impulse for a leading diagonal, of course, you would like to see the wave 3 as well as a leading diagonal. Because if you start with the wave 1 as an impulse, you would like to see the wave 3 as impulse, correction, and of course impulse for your wave 5. Even sometimes your wave 2 and or your wave 4 can be impulses as well, in case only you start with an impulse. So, in case we are in ABC as well, we would like to see a big impulse toward the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hitting the $323 for Alibaba here. And of course, moving after this, of course, several 1-2s, which we are taking a look, of course, closer on the daily chart here, where you can see, of course, you have big 1-2 and then 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, and then you are now currently in the middle of the wave 3 toward the upside. Of course, your wave 3 has to be 5 waves as well. So it has to be, of course, as a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, right? So we're still looking, of course, for a wave 5 to finish this wave 3 at 1.618, of course, with level 177 for Alibaba. So as we can see here, we are in this wave 4 currently. So our target for a wave 4 are the following. So let's check where are we in a wave 4. Yeah, we have passed the 0.23. So okay, the first level has been passed. So it looks like it's looking for the next level, which is 0.38 at 124, and then continuation toward the upside. Let's move here to the 1 hour chart actually to see what's going on inside this correction. Well, yeah, not so much to see, but you have a gap, of course, open here, and where you would like, of course, to close this gap sooner or later. However, if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, you might be in a wave A here and then B and a C toward the downside. Yeah, because of course, this looking like an impulse. Therefore, I would say this is an A, B, and a C. So somehow like this. Let's see this. Here we go. Yeah, our target zone, then I would say this might be, of course, even between the 0.5 and 0.38. So one of these target, because of course we need A, B, and a C. Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna hit the 0.38 in that case, maybe a little bit lower, and then moving toward the upside in after a zigzag as a correction, of course, for this wave. Yeah, so let's wait and see what's gonna happen, of course, for Alibaba. That was it, of course. Still higher possibility for the bullish, of course, unless we see a very massive drop. Your invalidation for the bearish, for the bullish, sorry. Oh, yeah, we have to be careful as well. But wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. No, we still in a bullish scenario here of a wave 3. This is your invalidation. All right, so invalidation of bullish. Yeah. So this is a price where, of course, we make sure that we are not bullish anymore. In case the price move toward the downside here, then you are not in a wave 4 anymore, because you are now 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't want to see your wave 4 interfering with the zone 1. And by the way, your wave 4 has to be, of course, fast a little bit, and that because the time for a wave 2 is of course very fast. So your wave 4 has to be kind of like this, if double time somehow like this. And by the way, based on the alternation rules in Elliott waves, your wave 2 is very sideways. Your wave 4 has to be very sharp, meaning if you got a flat here as a wave 2, your wave 4 has to be a zigzag, which of course give us higher possibility that yes, this is a scenario that is gonna happen as a zigzag 0.38 and moving toward the upside later on. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.